We know that Disney World can be expensive, but don't worry. We've got you covered. Here are our top 5 tips. Number 1. Avoid peak times like spring break and holidays. Check the Disney World crowd calendar for the best times to visit. This will help you avoid long lines and crowds. Number 2. Buy Disney gift cards at a discount and pay for food with cash or bring your own food. You can buy discounted gift cards from websites like raise.com or Gift Card Granny. You can also save money by bringing your own food or snacks into the park. Number 3. Buy tickets up front and skip the park hopper option. You can save money by buying your tickets in advance and skipping the park hopper option. This will allow you to focus on one park per day and save money on ticket prices. Number 4. Stay on property at a value Disney resort and take advantage of free transportation and other perks. Staying on property can be expensive, but there are value resorts that are more affordable. These resorts offer free transportation to the parks and other perks like early park access. Number 5. Shop around for the best deals on Disney tickets and hotels, and use PhotoPass photographers without buying the package. You can find deals on tickets and hotels by checking websites like Undercover Tourist or Orbitz. You can also use PhotoPass photographers without buying the package by asking them to take pictures with your own camera. We hope these tips help you plan your next trip to Disney World on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks.